before we get started with this weekend's adventures, we're in Texas right now. We obviously didn't start here, so if you want to see our previous adventures, click on the little eye up here in the corner and you can watch part one, I guess we'll call it. But right now, let's roll the intro.
Weekenders, this is Old Man Chris. Welcome to the weekend vlog. Very excited to be hosting the 51st week of the season 3 2018 weekend vlogs. This is actually day 5 of a trip that me and Stella are taking from California to Louisiana. We decided to stop and have some places to ride, and we found one here in Texas. We're gonna go check it out. Let's see how much fun we can have.
So we just arrived at the Odessa mountain bike park. Pretty nice little sign they have made up there. We're gonna go do a little bit of mountain biking and then probably get right back on the road.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
So we're done at the Odessa trails. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. They were a little rocky. Maybe if I was riding them a whole bunch, it would have kind of gotten to me, but just for the one lap that I did, about 9 miles, perfect trails, had a super awesome time. Unfortunately, this guy ended up getting a flat almost halfway into the trails, so he didn't even get to do most of the trails. So to make up for it, we're gonna drive a couple hours down the road and go ride some new trails in Abilene, Texas. So time to drive.
All my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now I realize.
So we called a bike shop in Abilene because evidently you're supposed to pay to get into those trails, and they said that it's too muddy to ride and they're closed. So we decided to make a little pit stop at Schlotzsky's instead.
You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting.
Okay, so we made it to the trails in Weatherford. Got some news for you guys. Closed due to muddy conditions. So looks like we're gonna be finding something else to do. So about a mile away from where the mountain bike trails were, and we found a disc golf course. So we're gonna go play. Okay, so we barely made it before the sun decided to completely set. Final score, 72 Sullivan, 75 Dad. Very close game overall, and had a great time. We're gonna keep on vanning down the road, so don't know how far we're gonna get today, but gonna keep going. No more videoing today though, so see you tomorrow. Good morning again, Sunday now. We ended up waking up really early this morning, around 4 o'clock, and finishing up the drive home. So now I'm back in Carencro. Don't really know what we have planned for the day just yet. I think that Corndog wants to go play some disc golf later, so we might end up doing that. Other than that, we'll see what happens. Okay, so new plan. No disc golf right now. I'm actually at the airport in New Iberia, and look at that. Dylan is pulling out the plane for us.
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. But life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
So we just landed in Abbeville. Really wasn't that long of a flight. If we would have come straight here, it'd been like 10-15 minutes. But Dylan pretty much flew the whole thing. So we're gonna go walk around a little bit and then head back to Lafayette. Okay, so we are back in Lafayette, just got done flying. Dylan did a awesome job on the flying. We're at some park somewhere that Dylan recommended. We got some discs and we're about to go disc golfing. Oh yeah, and we're with Corndog now.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now I realize I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by.
So we just finished the disc golf once again, right before the sun fully sets. I came in first, barely beating Dylan by only 1 point, and then OMC came in third and Cornelius Dog in fourth. Overall, great course and lots of trees. Another update for you guys. First of all, I just looked in the mirror, forgot that I did this while I was showering earlier, but I'm sure you guys already noticed. We are at Painting with a Twist with pretty much the whole family, and we're gonna go do some painting.
Now I realize, you know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. Will you wait for me?
So we just finished with the paintings. As you can see, me and Corndog here put our own little artistic twist on it by doing the angry guy and the sad guy.
If you want to see a purist,
Here's Logan's pure example right here.
This is actually, they're actually purchasing this from me to use as the example for the next class because it's that good.
Hey, real quick, we'd like to say Merry Christmas to everybody in the vlog.
Oh wait,
Very proud of y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more cut-ups every week.
So the night has pretty much come to an end. We're ending it here at the Whataburger, getting some dinner. So thanks for watching. Let's see you next weekend.
Poisson.